Hey, it's Leon with the development team. With a quick update about, like custom webhook. It's a premium workflow action. So I set up a simple test here. So when you add the custom webhook action, I just selected the post method and I have a catch hook on the Zapier side, for example. And I've got these custom values. I haven't customized this very much because this is about saving responses from the webhook. So it'll save the webhook responses and allow you to have like a finer grain and functionality based on the success or IDs for for the contact when they go through a webhook. To make use of this, you enable save response from this webhook, you select a contact, send a test request. It'll return 200 if it's successful. You'll see it say success down here. It'll show you the attempt IDs and the request IDs and the success amount. And you can use the custom values in an email or for any other functionality, maybe to implement another response or action based on whether or not it was successful or failed. And that's about all there is for the premium workflow action update. Look into custom webhooks on the help library for finer detail on this.